The continuous technological development and the current human needs carry the important problem of air pollution. The increase in polluting gases emissions from different combustion sources, such as vehicles, industrial facilities and other forms of energy generation, are causing the so-called global warming. Among the most harmful pollutants are nitrogen oxides, which, besides being highly toxic, react with unburned hydrocarbons to form ozone, the main cause of the so-called acid rain. Each year is dumped into the atmosphere over 30 million tons of nitrogen oxides, more harmful than CO2 itself. These gases are to blame for heart and lung diseases, may cause also skin rashes, conjunctivitis and asthenia. Because of this serious problem, the industrialized countries signed the 1997 Kyoto Protocol. Since that time, different policies have been established to regulate the emission of these polluting gases. In this context becomes vitally important move towards sustainable development, meeting present needs without compromising future generations and preserving the biodiversity and ecosystems. After several years of research and testing, the company ecoGranic patented a new ecological generation pavement, which made more than 100 works and has been certified by A++ as the first pavement capable of degrading nitrous oxides. A real and effective solution that contributes significantly to the cities and their surroundings to be more clean and safe. ecoGranic slabs and cobblestones, in addition to its architecture and aesthetic function, contributes actively to the elimination of pollutants from the atmosphere. We are therefore faced with a new concept of urban pavement, very ecological, especially in the composition, because it incorporates recycling materials, especially in the sectors of construction and industrial. The reuse of these raw materials means a significant decrease in consumption of natural resources, while the physical properties of the pavement are not altered. It contributes to reduce emissions of polluting gases into the atmosphere occur in the treatment of such materials. However, ecoGranic's most relevant feature is its ability to act as a decontaminant. ecoGranic combats pollution by photocatalysis, a natural oxidation process similar to photosynthesis in plants. ecoGranic contains in its surface a powerful catalyst that is activated in the presence of light, both natural and artificial, transforming the polluting gases that are in urban areas to safe products for human health and without any impact on the environment. The power of decontamination of this surface is not affected throughout their life cycle, so that its activity is unlimited. The tests performed by the prestigious Dutch laboratory of the University of Twente, according to ISO, and studies conducted in different works carried out, showing a pavement ecoGranic decontamination efficiency up to 56% in nitrous oxide degradation. To better visualize this effect, we can even say that if the surface of a football field would be paved by ecoGranic, it would eliminate the pollution that is generated by more than 4,000 vehicles over a year. Think for a moment how many millions and millions of square meters of floor are covering the streets and squares of our cities. In addition, ecoGranic has an additional quality to consider. This is a pavement that repels dirt, which helps to maintain its aesthetic quality over the time. Different cities already enjoy the benefits of ecoGranic, identical architectural and aesthetic characteristics to those of a traditional pavement with a positive environmental effect. The quality of our life depends on the quality of our soil. With ecoGranic begins a new era in urban paving. ecoGranic, path to sustainability.